There are a lot of families across the state who are very eager to get their youngest kids vaccinated, and I count myself in that group.
Pediatricians will begin vaccinating some of their youngest patients against COVID-19 starting tomorrow. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore. Sharice is off tonight. The CDC and the FDA gave full approval for kids ages 6 months to 5 years yesterday. Children's Hospital New Orleans is going to give the first shot tomorrow afternoon at 2. Oxner Hospital for Children and other pediatricians will begin giving those shots as soon as they receive them. Erika Ferrando tells us what parents should know.
This 10-month-old Corinne is already walking and enjoying her share of Popeyes at City Park. And now she, too, is eligible to join her older siblings by getting vaccinated against COVID-19.
We may wait a little while for her. We may wait a little bit.
While her mom isn't in a rush to get her a shot, she did decide to get her older kids vaccinated.
She doesn't go anywhere. But like I said, our older kids, they're in school. They're into extracurricular activities. All Louisiana children ages 6 months and up are now eligible to receive the COVID vaccine. The FDA authorized a 3-dose Pfizer vaccine and 2-dose Moderna vaccine for the young kids, and it's now recommended by the CDC. Until now, only kids 5 and up were eligible.
It is now the clear, unambiguous recommendation of both CDC and LDH that everyone ages 6 months and up get vaccinated against COVID-19.
In Louisiana, 175 providers are already getting the vaccines in and are ready to administer them now. Pharmacists can only vaccinate kids 3 and up, so most young kids will get vaccinated at their pediatrician's office.
That's where the bulk of childhood vaccines are given. That's where families feel most comfortable.
Pediatricians across the state are prepared for this. We are excited and encouraging.
Dr. Rachel Chatters is a pediatrician in Lake Charles.
As our best hope, it's our greatest tool for ending this current pandemic.
In Louisiana, 21 children have died from COVID since the pandemic began. None of them were fully vaccinated and 9 were under the age of 5. According to the CDC, COVID is now the 5th leading cause of death in kids ages 1 through 4, following accidents, birth defects, cancer, and homicides.
Children under 5 are at a higher risk for hospitalization from COVID-19 than our older children, and that's true for a number of other infectious diseases as well.
The expanded vaccine eligibility is another significant step, giving our youngest extra protection.
COVID is not over, but we're certainly in a much, much, much better place than we were even a few months ago.
Now I just feel like they're getting back to normal.
Louisiana's vaccination rate among kids who have been eligible is lower than the national average. 17% of Louisiana kids ages 5 to 11 have had their first dose, a number that Dr. Cantor says is too low and he hopes will increase. Erika Ferrando, Eyewitness News.